I'm going to show you 3 different ways to remove temporary files on Windows 11. One easy way is to do this through your storage settings. We'll first click the Start menu on the bottom and then go to Settings. Or just hit Windows plus I on your keyboard if you want a quick shortcut to your settings. Once you're in the settings, we're going to first click System on the left side. And then within the System menu, we'll choose Storage. Your computer will do a quick scan on the storage situation, and it'll give a little breakdown of what's taking up storage and how much each category is using. One of those categories is temporary files, and if you don't see it, just click Show More Categories, and you'll then find it on the list. Once I click into temporary files, I'll see a breakdown of what type of files are included here, and you'll see 2 options: Remove Files or Clean Up System Files. Kind of confusing, I know, but basically, the Remove Files button will delete the files that are currently selected on your list. The blue Clean Up System Files button is the more powerful option, and clicking it will rescan the computer with admin privileges and look for additional system-level files that weren't included in the initial scan. Could be things like old Windows Update files, device driver packages, upgrade logs, and stuff like that. Just let the scan finish, and once it's done, you can check the files you want to remove and then click Remove Files. It might take a while, so sit tight, go grab a beverage, and let the computer do its thing. Another way to clear temporary files would be to use the Disk Cleanup tool. Go to the Start menu and search for Disk Cleanup. This is an old tool and pretty simplistic, but it still works. You'll see checkboxes for different types of files, and you'll simply check the ones you want to get rid of and then click Clean Up System Files. This will show mostly the same stuff you saw earlier, but it's a good backup plan if the storage menu isn't working properly for you. Again, could take a while, so just be prepared. One last and quick way: hit Windows plus R on your keyboard and then type in %temp% and hit Enter. This will open a folder that has all the temporary files under your user account, and you can just delete them all. Hold down the Shift key to select multiple files, or hit Ctrl plus A on your keyboard to select all. Then delete. Temporary files are safe to delete, which is why they're temporary in the first place, and if some of those files are currently in use by an application, you'll get this File in Use message telling you that file cannot be removed right now. Just skip those files and you're good. And that's how you delete temporary files. Click that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more quick guides like this, and yeah, thanks for watching.